issuing a tornado warning for southeastern Ballard County, Kentucky, northeastern Carlisle County, Kentucky, northwestern Graves County, Kentucky, southern McCracken County, Kentucky, until 1:15 a.m. At 12:43 a.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 5 miles west of Lovelessville or 7 miles southeast of Bluff Center, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include tornado. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Lovelessville and Blandville. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a well-built building away from windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 1:15 a.m. for the following counties in Kentucky: Ballard, Carlisle, Graves, and McCracken. Tornado warning is canceled for southwestern Ballard County. The tornado threat has diminished and the tornado warning has been canceled. However, large hail and damaging winds remain likely and a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect for the area. The National Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Christian County, Kentucky, Trigg County, Kentucky, until 1:30 a.m. At 12:43 a.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line from 6 miles south of Birmingham Ferry Recreation Area to 17 miles south of Murray, or along a line from 6 miles west of land between the lakes area to 17 miles south of Murray, moving east at 45 miles per hour. These are destructive storms for the warned area. Expected hazards include 80 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged. Expect considerable damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles. Extensive tree damage and power outages are likely. This severe thunderstorm will be near land between the lakes area around 12:45 a.m. Golden Pond Visitor Center and Turkey Bay around 12:50 a.m. Wranglers Campground around 12:55 a.m. Canton around 1 a.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Linton and Lafayette. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 1:30 a.m. for the following counties in Kentucky, Christian, and Trigg.